Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth in your Volkswagen Jetta. First, make sure your Jetta's ignition is on and your mobile device's Bluetooth is activated. Then, navigate to the phone menu on your Jetta's radio system. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth pairing process, so take your time with these steps. Once in the phone menu, select Bluetooth and then search for New Device. Your Jetta will begin scanning for available devices. When your phone appears on the Jetta's screen, select it. A pairing code will then display on both your Jetta and your mobile device. Confirm this code to proceed with the connection. After confirming the pairing code, your phone may ask for permission to access contacts and messages. Grant these permissions for full functionality. To ensure everything is working correctly, try making a quick phone call or playing some music through the Jetta's speakers. If you encounter any issues, a simple restart of both devices often resolves them. Your Volkswagen Jetta can typically store up to 4 different Bluetooth devices, making it convenient for multiple users. The system is designed to automatically connect to the last paired device when you start the car, saving you time. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. If you ever need to switch devices, simply select the desired one from the Bluetooth menu.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.